Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to make a quick video on just purchasing Bitcoin. The good thing about Bitcoin is that you can go in with buying fractions of the Bitcoin, so you don't necessarily purchase a Bitcoin. You can purchase a fraction of that Bitcoin. So it's just like purchasing, so let's say you're purchasing a US dollar and you wanted to just purchase a 10 cent. You spend your Jamaican or your Canadian or your US and you buy a fraction of a Bitcoin. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you that, show you the small purchase that I made. It's just a quick invest. We buy on the dips with any form of trading. It doesn't matter what the asset or the classification of the IPO or the ICO. Anyway, the company. It doesn't, or the whatever the product is we're buying into. It doesn't really matter. Trading's across the board with a forex. But yeah, guys. Yeah, just sharing the experience with you guys. So it's late, but yeah, guys, yeah, thank you so much for viewing. Like and subscribe. I'll be coming up with more videos. I want to show you guys how to do this, but I can't show my personal information. And I remember, guys, this is just tutorials. This is me teaching myself. So don't do this, but I guess it's somewhat a form of entertainment, But yeah, guys, it's just investing into this cryptocurrency. 2018. Happy New Year.